a bit damaged. Easy to fold though. Wow, it looks sturdy, that's for sure. Oh, wow. They're a lot bigger than I thought. Here's our charging brick. Seems to be pretty run-of-the-mill. Doesn't feel too hefty. Alright. Here goes nothing. Oh, crikey, that's got some weight in it. Oh! Look at that.
It's so big.
There's gritted grip tape on the board, which is very cool. Right, now there's going to be a clip. There we go. Oh, how's that? Yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
Good.
Yep, I'll just have to tidy up some of this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, push the button in, slide that up, and lock it down. Now for the seat post. Generic user manual. All right. Just like every quick release, there needs to be a bit of a balance between firm and then too tight. I can still move that. All right, that's pretty cool. Now, tell you what, it was pretty easy to unpack. Oh, the seat feels really good. Hey, I was wondering about that. It does come with a headlight. All I've really got to do is tighten some stuff up, pop my brakes where I want them to go. Brakes are really, really firm. But what we want to know is, did it come with any charge? We've got about a half battery's charge. Front wheel drive. Oh, rear wheel drive. Even better. All right. Okay, it's got front and rear lights. Honestly, I'm just having a blast playing with everything. 5mm Allen key. You know what? These odd grips are actually not bad. It's a bit more support on that part of your hand. They looked a bit weird at first. This thing is cool. I'm actually really excited about it. Now, the good thing about the reach of this throttle, it's nice and light, but there's plenty of room to get your hands onto the brakes. That looks to be about a 3mm. And I am right. So, all right, you really do need to have it butted up as far as you can, because you need room to undo the blocks to collapse the handlebars. Now, I think what's impressed me most about this scooter is just how little assembly there has been right out of the box. And I will note that while I'm sitting on it with the stand down, it's tiny. I'm not putting any weight on the stand, I'm balancing it up. Because as with most kickstands, they don't really like to support the weight of a rider. All right, we have got disc brakes with a little bit of shit in them. We're going to have to be very careful. The hub motor, I have become quite a fan of the hub motor from the Mark V. Down here we have, there's our charging port, which that just has a rubber cap. That is going to be something I'm going to have to be mindful of. Discs on the front. Now, mounting the front light. That seems to be a simple enough process. And I'm curious if I can't just slot it over. So we'll get our 5mm out again, and we'll just pop that out. Now, the good thing about the profile of this is it's going to allow a wide range of adjustability. They feel really sturdy. We've got a quick release on here. So we're going to open that. We're going to see. Holy crap. That's really quite high. All right, this is the best perspective I can get from inside. So that's as high as they go. And that's where they came out. So the question I have is, that feels unsafe sitting that high. Ah!
Why?
Now I'm holding the back wheel in the air here. It thinks it can go 27, 35. It thinks it can go 45 kilometers an hour. That's cute. Ooh, it's all right. The cat's freaked out. How's our turning circle? Not horrible.
Oh.
The seat's got a fair amount of suspension in it, actually. That's really cool.
Oh no.
Whee!
Oh Lord. What do you think about Daddy's new toy?
Cool. That's Come on.
Too fast for inside, that's for sure.
Ready? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, hi, Dad.
Oh, hi, Link. It's a hot day. I don't really feel like staying out. It's kind of hard to see that in the... Oh, this is all right. Tyre pressure seems good. I won't lie, this does feel unnerving. Brakes are good though. Alright. I can't see shit on here. .38 clicks ain't bad. Tyres feel a bit sketch. You know, it's doing all right in a hill climb. Probably a bit too slow for the road though.